Oh.
Recording. That was an edit. You like my edit?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Contact. We got power. What did we just get done doing?
Making sure our center, we are centered. And the doohickey.
The doohickey is now centered.
Where's the marking utensil?
Where's the boring bar?
Where's the marking
I
utensil?
don't worry about it. Where's the boring bar we're going to use?
I don't know.
Hopefully it's over here in the files. That's it. It's even got a pretty good bit in there too.
Oh yeah.
Semi-sharp.
You don't think that's a little gigantic for what we are attempting to do?
It's only got a little bit of a chip in it. It's fine. What are we going to do?
Bore out a hole.
Get a hole bore. Don't worry about it. It's not important.
How's it not important, Tatro?
Just don't move the lever. Okay, where's the tools at for doing this? See, there's a lot of tools.
Is it metric or American?
I don't know. I used to have all this stuff laying out. But
See, it's because you haven't done this in a while, Tatro.
I know.
See, and then Josh comes along and you do stuff.
I think there'd be some houses maybe put in here with all the other tools, but no, see, when the helpers came by and scooped up all this stuff, they scooped up everything. And I don't know what they did with it after they scooped it. That is our big problem. Okay. Here's one of them.
There you go.
There's that one. See, I don't know what that one looks like. It's different. But the other one's gone. So we're just going to go find one of these here that fit in the holes. Needs to be that big. That is not the one.
That ain't it.
Almost. Nope, it kind of
Oh,
fits.
that's it.
Kind of goes in there. It's bent though. Looks like it got nailed.
That's fine.
What about this one? This one was too big, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's too big.
You know what? I ain't gonna go with that one. You don't like my boring bar? It's a 3/4 inch boring bar. What's the problem?
Yeah, how are you expecting to bore?
Carefully. Okay. Right here.
Where's your holder off center?
So I have to move it out so far when I use it next.
Huh?
So I have to use it. So I have to move it out so far next time I use it. It's never on center. The boring bar has to go bigger.
Was it? Is your center hole in the center of the machine?
I just indicated it all in. Remember, we zeroed it.
Yeah, you indicated the machine, but is your boring bar tool?
No, I indicated this.
Yeah. Now is your tool in the center?
Well, it's coming off of this here, which should be the center of the machine when it goes like this. Now, I haven't actually put an indicator on your my spindle to see if it's straight.
Mm-hmm.
We're assuming it's not doing this.
Mm-hmm.
But if it is, you'll see it when this turns on. It'll go boom. That'll be bad. Okay, we gotta go all the way bottom down here first. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead down here. Okay, we're hitting right now. What number are we at?
1.
We're at 0 almost. You're 0, right?
Yep.
Okay. So now we just go bzzz, spin that sucker around.
So wait, you're gonna bore out down there at the bottom too?
Right down, all the way down. Well,
Why?
right now it's not round.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna bore at 600 RPM. It looks like. You know why? That's what's at right now. I'm sure I'm gonna get some comments about the speeds are wrong.
That's fine.
Sorry, I told them. Okay. We'll drag on that. Go faster. speed. Look down. Just dropping. Just dropping there. I'm gonna go way down here before this thing up. It'll hit at some point. Remember when? There it is. Take about an inch worth of cutting. Here's the smoking. Here's the chattering slightly. Might not be the strongest setup right now.
Not at all.
You don't think so?
No.
I didn't make sure that wasn't going to hit here.
You did not?
No, I did not. If you hear a chunk real loud, all of a sudden it's probably hitting.
You have more than an inch of clearance there.
It hasn't hit here yet.
Yeah, but you have more than that there.
It's making chips too down there. Chips appear to be kind of bluish looking, so might be a little fast in the field there. It's cutting good though. I'm going to stop cutting, but I'm going to get some more. That came out the bottom right there. Set that right there for next time.
Let's take a gander at the goose.
There's a goose down there?
Yeah, looks
Goose
good.
Gander? Okay. What clearance was that?
Enough.
About that much?
Yep.
How much was that cut?
20.
About that much. Go down about that much?
Yep.
You didn't hit. Contact. We're making kind of bluish chips here again.
It doesn't like the roundness of that hole.
No, it doesn't like the amount of cutting I'm doing. It wants more feed rate. I haven't turned the feed up though. It's happier now though. Might have chipped the end of the cover off. No, it's getting more pissed off again. I think I got on slow feed. I am 1.5 feet instead of 3.
So what is that, 1.5 inches per minute?
1.5 thou per revolution. I was at 3 before. So it's on my best finish right now. You got 1.5 thou per turn, 3 thou per turn, or 5 thou per turn. We're on the best finish right now. But that means it chatters more if you have much chip load on it. See, it should have stopped already. That's just going to stop.
A little warm?
No, it's a bad plan to go under your fingers and move these out. It tends to cut your fingers.
Oh, I know. I do know those.
No, the speed's not too bad because they're not too blue. They're just lightly colored. It's not too bad. The chattering just tells you it's not happy though. So however much that was I did last time was too much.
Go half that.
Half of that?
Yeah.
So only a quarter?
Yeah.
Or a quarter of a quarter, an eighth? Okay. The finish looks pretty good.
So why are you opening that whole hole up?
Just to make it easier to make.
Oh, okay.
This one we don't really have to cut up that big bigger. This is already pretty big out here, but I want to make sure I was big enough on the difference to step down too. We'll go with this one. Now if we increase our speed to 3, twice the speed now, feed rate. Now the chips are coming off a little hotter. They're actually going bluish on us now. Because we're cutting twice as much material out for each turn. So you're working the cutter, but it's not chattering because it's got load on it. So it's more metal removal.
Yeah.
Right through right there.
rough as hell.
Not really. Feel it.
Well, that's stock Harley finish.
It's not super smooth, but it's pretty smooth.
Yeah, that's stock Harley finish though. With a sharp edge.
Got a chip down here.
See, because you're moving so fast, you can't cut the edge.
Can we cut the edge? Well, we can cut a little less. We can go.
No. You go more.
We can go this much.
Yeah.
We can cut the speed down, increase the speed. We can take that, make that 1.5 again.
There you go.
Turn that back on.
Let it do its job.
Crank the speed up a little bit again. See if it chatters.
Why are you so high? You should have been at 2 inches. Right above 2 inches.
Oh, that's too much. This still trying to feed in.
Yeah.
It'll start cutting at some point. I'm air cooling the butt before I hit it. There it goes. See how it's cutting? We got. We'll go this way. We went up to 600 again. This will be the best finish. Seems to be a chip coming out.
A nest of chipping.
Lint-free rag.
Yep.
Oh, I went through it. It's getting a little smoother now. You can see the no more color in the chip because we speed it up to make more freaks and heat.
Mm-hmm.
Cut the chip load down so it's not taking much metal out.
Mm-hmm.
Cut faster for the same cut. Alright. That was that one.
Now we have to make the other one bigger.
Clunk.
What are you making it do? Go up or down? Yeah, I don't like that.
You didn't like that? Yeah, I want to buy another 40,000 or so, 50, I don't know. It's really not going to like this one.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm making a square bottom right now.
Tatro, I was just watching a video that you had did with a Evo case 10 years ago.
10 years? I don't think it did 10.9.
No, it was 10.
2012?
It was 10.
Was it good?
Were you using this same camera in 2012? No?
Got around, you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
You can see it too.
Joe Evo case on Imperial. With your favorite sweater on. Back before you started wearing your own sweaters.
Just a sweatshirt.
Yeah, you were wearing the good Christmas sweatshirts.
Christmas are good. People wear it all the time.
Oh yeah, it's far from round. That it is far from.